Hello friends, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to prepare Mkpafere soup or haar soup. Like this video, thumbs up, share with friends and families. Do not fail to subscribe. If you've not subscribed to my channel, then turn to the notification bell to know when I upload another video. Let's get started. Preparing this Mkpafere soup, these are the recipes that I'm going to use. Here I have the Mkpafere leaf. This is how it looks like. What I'll do here is to pick it from the stem, from like this. Then I'll wash it. It's a very soft vegetable, so I will not use knife to slice it. I'll only cut it with my bare hand like that into two. I have here crayfish. I'm cooking it with mixed meat, that is intestine and all those intestine stuff. That's my cocoyam powder. You can prepare your cocoyam powder at home. Salt to taste, pepper, red oil, this asusa leaf to give me a good flavor, You can use locust beans to cook it with, but here I use asusa leaf to cook it with. Then my smoked fish. I'm using 2 large smoked fish for this food. I've finished plucking it from the stem, so now I want to wash it. I'll add clean water, then wash it up to 2 times. Then it will be ready for cooking. Before adding your cocoa yam flour into the pot, you have to dissolve it first. So I'm pouring it into cold water to dissolve it before adding it into my cooking pot. After dissolving it, it's ready to add it into the boiling water that I'm going to prepare the soup with. So I will allow it to boil before adding the rest of the ingredients. It's boiling now. So I'll add my crayfish. I'll add my pepper. I'll add this fish. I'll add my mixed meat, the intestine that I'm cooking it with. I'll add salt. Add oil. After adding all those things, I'll cover it, then allow it to boil again before adding the Mkpafere leaf and asusa leaf. Add the asusa leaf. Add the Mkpafere leaf. Stir it. Allow it for 2 minutes to done. Your Mkpafere soup is ready. Thank you very much for watching my channel.